Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get your money off on TesterUp using an app. Well, let's get started. First, open the TesterUp app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, you will see your balance. Before you can withdraw money, check these things. Your tasks must be fully completed. The status must say approved, not pending. You must reach the minimum payout amount. If your earnings are still pending, you need to wait. This is normal. TesterUp usually pays through PayPal. To link PayPal, tap on Profile or Account Settings. After that, tap Payment Method or Payout Settings. Enter your PayPal and email address. Save and confirm. Make sure the email is correct or you won't receive your money. Now on Settings, tap Withdraw Cash Out or Payout. Choose PayPal, select the amount or withdraw all. Tap Confirm. You will see a message saying your withdrawal request processing. Payment usually takes a few days to process. Once completed, the money will show up in your PayPal account. And that's it. To get your money off TesterUp, always all-out tracking, complete tasks correctly, wait for approval, and withdraw using the right PayPal email. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.